Okay, I'm videotaping here to show that Arthur's not the only one. They could go in the desert. We had a major rain yesterday here in the valley, and so we decided to go down the road here, pass through Tortilla Flats, and on our way to Roosevelt Lake. This is just awesome. And you could tell there's a lot more water than this was going down not that long ago. We're almost down at the level of the river. And Gidget's having fun going on a road trip. Gidget! Gidget! Oh, Gidget! Garrett's in the car. He's tired. We've been driving for a while. Look at that awesome Chevy. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool.